If you have encountered an error or an incorrect location in Apple Maps, you can help correct it to improve accuracy for yourself and others. So basically, here is how you can do it. Firstly, open the Apple Map app on your iPhone or iPad, then navigate the location that is incorrect or has an error. Then press and hold on the location pin until a small menu appears. In the menu that appears, tap on Report an issue. Then select the type of issue you want to report, such as incorrect location or incorrect address. Follow the prompts to provide details about the error or incorrect information. You may be asked to specify the correct location or address. So once you have provided all the necessary information, tap on the submit to send the report to Apple. So basically guys, by reporting errors and inaccuracies in Apple Maps, you can contribute to improving the accuracy and reliability of the mapping service for yourself and others. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.